What's going on, everybody? It's Court from Cody Media. I want to talk about the Facebook Pixel. You may have heard about this. Maybe you've gotten an email from Facebook saying you should use the Facebook Pixel, or maybe you just, you've heard it somewhere. What is it? Why you use it? And how you can use it to get more butts and seats at your restaurant. So let's start with what is it? Have you ever gone to a website? Maybe you're looking for a dog toys or something, dog training. Let's say dog training. You go to a dog training website, and then all of a sudden, what do you start seeing everywhere? All over Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. You start seeing ads for dog training or dog treats or something like that. Well, what they're doing is there is a little bit of code. Okay, it's a little bit of code that you can put on the back end of your website. So if you use WordPress or Wix or something like that, you put it on the back end, this little bit of code, and what it does is when somebody goes to that website, it will remember and send that information to Facebook. Now, there's some things going on with Facebook privacy and everything and Apple privacy. We're not going to go there this video. But just know that what they're basically doing is tracking, and they know, okay, you went to that page, all right? So, why would you use that? Why would you want to have that on your website? Well, what you can do is in Facebook and Instagram for ads, you can create an ad and the audience is, you can tell Facebook, we want anybody who's landed on our website to see this ad. Why would you want to do that? Well, they've checked you out. They've gone to your menu. They've gone to your website. They know who you are. In sales, they would say they're a warm or hot lead. They're one of your raving fans. So you want them to see more ads from you, okay? So how might you use this? Well, for example, let's say you have events. Let's say you have lots of events at your restaurant, outdoor events, and you have an events page on your website. You can tell Facebook, hey Facebook, we want to promote our upcoming events. We want to run an ad at only people that have been to our events page, and it will know who those people are. So it'll start showing that ad just to those people. Maybe it's catering. Maybe you do wedding catering. You could run an ad and say, I just want people that have been to our catering page. And Facebook will show that over and over again. Just like when you get those ads for the dog training or whatever, you see it several times. Eventually, you're like, I guess I'll just go ahead and buy it, right? But it takes you 3, 4, 5 times. Happens to me all the time. I see the ad once, I start to dig in, and then finally I buy. Same thing that you can do here with Facebook using the Facebook Pixel. So it's nothing scary. It's just a little bit of code. If you have a web developer or somebody that set up your website, they will help you walk through how to do that. They can probably even do it for you. And this is something that we use in our agency to help restaurants get people coming back who have visited their website. So if you want to learn more about that, shoot me a message. I'd love to chat with you. So hope you're having a fantastic day. Get out there. If you haven't installed the Facebook Pixel, do that now. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.